Hello friends, welcome back to the next chapter of Grafana alerting. So in last chapter of Grafana alerting, we have actually saw what are the different ways to create alerts on your Grafana, whether it is alert manager based alerting or the Grafana based alerting, and we saw how to configure, how to create and everything. Now we will see how to actually send an alert notification to your Gmail, right? So definitely you need to have a SMTP server enabled on your Grafana. That part we will take it separately, but today we'll just see in this chapter how to set up alert and get these alerts in your mailboxes. Pretty important. Not everyone is aware about it, but let's understand it from perspective. Now, suppose there's a metric on which you need to create an alert. Suppose this is the metric where the results are more than one. I'm just giving you a brief introduction on that. So first of all, you need to come back to this alerting section, right? I'm using Grafana alerts because it has SMTP server. So you need to come back first of all to the contact points. You need to, so there are three things for understanding. You will define all your alert in alert rules. You will create a contact point to whom this alert should get reported, and the notification policies on which policy the alert from here should go to this contact point. Right. So let's create the contact point first. So you'll create a new contact point. Suppose I create a test contact point. Right. I will give my email ID for now. Correct. And then I will save this contact point. Perfect. I've created a contact now. I need to tag this contact point to the notification policy so that it gets a proper connection. So I will create a test notification. Correct. And then I will select this test contact point, and then this is the grouping it will do, right? So this is fine. Okay, it is not happy with the name. I will give this no underscore in the name. So notification is also created. Now I'll go back and then I'll create an alert, manage alert rules, right? So as I explained last time, there are two kind of alerting, Grafana managed and the alert manager managed. So let's create the Grafana base so that you should understand how it works. I will create this one, test alert, and then I will put my Prometheus query, which is, since we don't have too much of data, let me try with this query, right? And then I will run this. It is saying no data, but let me run this for uh, time range for last 1 hour. Let me see if it's giving any data. There's no data. Anyway, this is not a problem. We want to understand the process, and then we'll, anyway, there's no data. There's no problem. Still, the alert will fire. Now I want to select the folder. I can create a new folder called as demo alert, right? Hit create this folder, and then I will add the labels. Now this label will act as a, notification policy, right? Whenever this label is there, then this label will get. I want to create a new group so that the group get created properly, right? And then I will to send this alert to this test contact point that we just created it. And then I don't want to put anything. Let me put all these things default. Now rule has been added, okay, and we can see the demo alerts alerting where we see the test alert that has been created. Now let me go back and then go to manage alert rules. You see this managed Grafana managed demo alerts test group, and then this is the alert that we have created it. Let's see uh, um, the alerting activity. So here, right, I will edit this. I will do a test notification for now on this email ID. It will do a test notification sent successfully. Let me see. Yeah, I have received the test notification on my email ID. This is the test notification. This is not the actual alert that we are supposed to get. Now let me go back and see the alert activity. Normally, if we would have data, then we should have got. Okay, now you see the alert has been firing. See, now the alert has just fired. I mean, I paused the video. Now, this is the way I was trying to see, and you can see the alert activity for last 5 minutes. Its alert has been fired. And if I see the same activity for last 1 hour, you will see more alerts have been fired. See, and you can see the rule details from here. This is fired on which rule, which is now condition series 1. So yeah, that is pretty much on to the alerting. Pretty much, I mean, this is very basic thing, how to send an alert, how to group all the alerts into test group, and then do those things, because this is the second part of alerting mechanism that you need to understand. The first part was how to set up alerts, but how to fire alerts, this is the important thing. So these three things you need to keep in your mind: alert rules, where you will define rules; contact point, to whom alert needs to be sent; and then notification policy, the condition on which the alert will be fired as per the labels, right? Configure how firing of alert ends. An activity is something which is available in Grafana Cloud, but you can see what is happening in your Grafana, I mean your alerting mechanism. So that is pretty much about alerting. We will talk about something else in our next chapter or next session. Not on alerts, because we don't want to set up SMTP configure SMTP server using Gmail, because that is readily available in all your customers. So that is pretty much on to the alerting part. We will take something else in our next chapter. So stay tuned, and thank you for choosing this course. Thank you.